friends, welcome to Sweet Zaika House Season 5. I am Ashwini Shrikant from Bangalore representing Chef Manav Pulsar team. My roll number is 17. Thank you so much Sweets Katriji, Geeteshu Katriji, Chef Manav Pulsar for giving me this amazing opportunity and giving your valuable time for judging our dishes. I always love trying fusion varieties and this is one of those. The dish I am making today is Indo-Mexican khakra. By using the same ingredients, I am showing you two other dishes, canopies and spring rolls. Come, let's have look at the ingredients. The ingredients we need are yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, avocados, rajma, sweet corn, salsa, tomato sauce, mixed herbs, salt, pepper, water, maida, canopies, kakra, spring roll sheets, oil, coriander, and these are the ingredients for garnishing: cherry tomatoes, pudina, lemon slices and save. And these are the chutneys: green chutney, sour cream, imli chutney, sriracha and chipotle sauce for the stuffing. Let's start the process by chopping the veggies. Finely chop the yellow bell pepper. Indo-Mexican khakra is very healthy salad with lots of nutrients in it. Any age people will love to eat it either in snacks time or at the party time. Finely chop the red bell pepper. Coriander, and remove it into a mixing bowl. Chop cherry tomatoes for garnishing and remove it into a bowl. Now take the mixing bowl with already chopped veggies, add avocado, remove the waste, add rajma, sweet corn, two tablespoons salsa, two teaspoon mixed herbs, half teaspoon pepper powder, salt to taste. Add 2 teaspoons tomato sauce. Meanwhile, switch on the stove and pour oil for deep frying the spring rolls and canopies. Then mix all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Mix it well. Take a serving glass and remove the mixture around 2 tablespoons, as much as we need to place it on kakra. Place the kakra on the glass. Place the lemon slice, chopped cherry tomato, and garnish with fresh mint leaves. And save. Here's our Indo-Mexican khakra. Now let me show you how to make spring rolls. Take a spring roll sheet, place it on a board. Take maida in a bowl. Add water. Mix it well to make a slurry. Place the mixture on one side of the spring roll sheet. Apply the slurry on 4 sides of the sheet so that we can roll it without any gaps. Fold it 3 sides and roll it well. Oil is heated. Now place the spring roll in a frying pan. Add canopies to deep fry. Fry canopies both the sides a second or two to make it crispy. Turn the spring roll onto other side. Remove the canopies on tissue. Again fry spring rolls till golden brown and remove it from the pan and place it on a tissue. Turn the canopies and fill the mixture into canopies about 1 teaspoon. Add green chutney, sriracha sauce, chipotle dip, imli chutney and sour cream. Garnish with cherry tomato, mint leaves and save. Canopies are ready. Here's the kakra, spring rolls. All the 3 items are ready with the same mixture. I dedicate this Mexican platter to Chef Manav Valsar. Thank you.